I'm Robin Feicht at Stampin' Country. Today we're going to make these adorable, quirky Matchbox cards. I made these for new team members because we have a promotion going on now where it's a really good deal to join Stampin' Up. So the highlight of my card is the Monster Bash designer paper. So the books that you see in the back and my quirky little team members are all from the Monster Bash designer paper. So I just chose, you could see there's some other ones missing. I have some other cards at the end of this video to show you that I also made with this Monster Bash paper. No stamping involved, I just cut these out. So I'm going to cut these two little characters because I think they look like a cute and unique team members because we're all unique, right? So I've cut that out. I'm going to use this library paper. And you can see some of the back sides or the front sides. I don't know what side. I love this one. It looks like it's from the Clue game. And you have the haunted house and the bats and just lots of fun things that you can use. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to now place Google eyes. I love that they come in green and purple and yellow and white. I think my little dude's going to actually look better in the white today. I put big purple eyes on the other card and he looks a little bit like E.T. Go home. Alright, that's a long time ago, so you may not remember that. But the little eyes just add a little bit more fun to the card. And they're super easy to do. Now to make the base of my card. Well, here's the Google eyes. Sort of Google eyes. So I'm going to use the soft suede cardstock because it matches my designer paper. It's 10 3/4 inches long and 4 1/4 inches wide. I'm going to score at 3/4 of an inch and also at 6 inches. And that's going to form the Matchbox. Now this is some more Monster Mash designer paper. I'm going to use my Stamparatus to stamp my sentiment for my team member. I'll use soft suede ink because it's going to match my card base. And it also matches the designer paper. This stamp you won't find in the catalog. I actually received this at a Stampin' Up leadership event. So it's not available, but I couldn't help resist using it for this team card. Now we're going to fold up our end to make the little matchbook and fold it over like you would a normal card. Yes, looking good. We'll place our welcome on the inside. Oops. Let's add a little strip of this designer paper just to jazz up that flap a little bit. This is the back side of what I was using. And then just punch about the center. Make sure you don't go too high because you want to be able to tuck in your top flap. Then we're going to put on our library paper. I think I cut this, I don't know, 4 by 5, 4 by 4 3/4. And tuck that in. Oh, I like that says Memories and More, our scrapbooking line. This die is from the Well-Written dies, and it just says welcome. Again, I use the soft suede so it coordinates with the paper and the cardstock and the ink. Have you noticed that I've done very little stamping? It's mostly folding and designer paper. We'll do our welcome. think you'll appreciate this next part. This is something new. We have black Stampin' Dimensionals like that, so you don't see the white poking out of. You spend all that time making a card. You don't want white dimensionals sticking out when you're using dark cardstock. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you'd like more details, go to my blog, www.stampingcountry.com. To purchase supplies, go to http://stampingcountry.stampinup.net. Thanks so much and have a fabulous day.